What's going on? So today, I've been saving up for a good part for the Escort to help it out a fair bit. Um, but in the meantime, I'm just trying to do a few little things on it. One of them, the fuel pump is quite noisy, and I would like to try and quieten it down a bit. At the moment, I've just got it mounted straight to the boot floor. I'll get some light. So as you can see, I've just got it mounted straight to the boot floor. It has got a rubber mount around it, but it's got nothing here. So I just managed to pick up these small M6, they're called isolators or rubber mounts. And yeah, I'm just going to whack two of them in between it. I have got a decibel reader on my other phone, which I'm going to whack out in front of it, and which I'm going to chuck out in front of the camera and do a quick comparison video. I'm just going to turn it on, read the decibels like this, and then quickly swap them out and turn it back on and read the decibels straight after and see what we can come up with. Alright, so there's a bit of a sound meter, which you can see is working. I'm just going to turn the fuel pump on and see what it reads. And now I'm just going to try and fit those isolators. I'm going to keep everything in this exact same position, and I'm even going to just keep this thing running while I do it and do it back to back so that nothing changes. There we go. I'm definitely going to swap out these for Nylox in the future, but just to get a good back-to-back comparison, that was the quickest bolts I could find. Turn the fuel pump back on and let's see if it makes any difference. Alright, I couldn't see the recording whilst I was pushing the fuel pump, but it definitely did sound half as loud, so hopefully the numbers there match up, and I'm probably just going to put a little comparison right here on the screen now. The next thing I'd like to do with this car as far as the fuel pump noise, and especially in the cabin, is I want to make the board that covers, there's normally an MDF board that goes over there. I've taken my back seat out, and you can see there's nothing stopping the noise from inside the cabin. And if I hit the fuel pump whilst in the car, it is quite loud. The seat did get rid of a little bit of it, but I think that piece of MDF that blocks it off will do a lot more as well as the seat on there. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, a comment, and a subscribe. It helps me out. I do enjoy doing them, and it's just good to see that other people enjoy them as well. This is the sort of stuff that I search for on YouTube to see if it makes a difference, but can never really find definitive answers, and I think a good back-to-back comparison like that is good.